Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find version history in your Canva design on your Canva app. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my phone here, and in order to see version history of this particular document that or this design that I'm working on, it's very easy. All you have to do, click the three dots at the top there and scroll down and you will find the version history. Keep in mind that you need a Canva Pro to actually see this and use this, but once you do have it, you can easily see those version history there. So if I tap on version history, you can see the multiple times when I make changes to this, and I can go ahead and even go back to a first or second design. So let's say I want to use something from yesterday 11 p.m. I can tap on that and I can easily restore if I want to do that. So I can restore, and as you can see that my design now, if I go back, is going to go back to that design. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. You click the three dots, you go to version history, and you can always restore a version of your choice. And that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.